Hey, what's up? In this video, we're going to talk about 10 websites to make $100 per day in passive income. And this works even if you're a busy parent with kids and responsibilities and different things going on. So let's go ahead and dive into the content here. Hey, it is Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel, we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if you want to build a business online that allow you to make passive income so you can quit your job, pay off debt, have more time for your family, make sure to subscribe. So we are talking in this video about 10 websites to help you make $100 per day in passive income. And this works even if you're busy, busy parent, busy student, busy whatever, even if you're busy. Now, before we get into the actual list of 10 websites here, let's talk a little bit about how this process actually works. In order to make money online, the best way to do that is you're going to want to build up an audience, and then you're going to want to have ways to monetize that audience. And this is what this video is all about. So first, you're going to want to choose a niche that you're going to go into. What is the niche or the market that you're going to serve? Who are the people that you're going to serve? What problems are you going to help people with, right? And then once you've selected your niche, you're going to start creating content around topics in that niche that people are interested in order to help them solve their problems. And then from there, you're going to build that audience and recommend products and services and things that can help them. You can offer your own products and services. You can offer affiliate programs and services. So there's different multiple ways to make money using this method. So let's talk about those 10 websites here. So the first website to help you make $100 per day in passive income is your own self-hosted WordPress.org website, your own blog with WordPress installed on your own host. So what you'll do is you'll get a host and you'll get a domain name. So you can use a host like HostGator or Bluehost, and then a domain name you can get from like GoDaddy or like Namecheap, and there's different places to go and get that. So you're going to go and get your hosting and your domain name set up. You're going to have to buy those. And then you'll have your own website. I always recommend that you have your own website because that gives you so much more power and control and flexibility in your business and how you post it and how you grow your business. Now, the second website to help you make $100 per day is YouTube. YouTube is a powerhouse for helping you grow an audience and get traffic over to your website. The idea is you're going to be researching content ideas based on the niche that you go into. So you'll go in, you'll select that niche, and then you'll find out what people are searching for. You'll use keyword research to identify those keywords, those topics that people are searching for and that they need help with. And then you're going to create videos around those topics, publish those videos on YouTube, and from those videos you can link over to your website to help you get traffic to your website, build an audience on YouTube, and build an audience, direct some of that audience over from YouTube over to your website. The next website to help you get traffic in order to build $100 per day of passive income online is Facebook, especially Facebook groups or Facebook paid advertising if you're willing to pay to get people over to your website. But Facebook groups, the idea here is that you can go into the group, become a member of the group, but don't just spam out your links to the group. You want to become a valued and respected member of that community within that group. So you're going to be going in there, you're going to be answering questions, you're going to be posting advice, and then every once in a while you're doing that, you can drop in a link there to your website to help you build your audience to your own website. If you just go in there and you just spam the groups with your links, you're going to get banned and you're not going to get any results. So that's definitely something you don't want to do. Okay, so now the fourth website to help you build your passive income business online is Instagram. Instagram is another powerhouse for generating traffic online. You build up your audience on Instagram, and then you get those people over to your website. So many people are crushing it right now with Instagram. Instagram, it's incredibly powerful if you know how to do it. Okay, so those first four websites we've talked about, your own website, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, those are all about getting traffic, right? In order to build a business, you need traffic, but then you also need to be able to turn that traffic, convert that traffic into leads. Having leads, such as like an email subscriber list, having leads will allow you to follow up with those people in order to promote products and services to them in order to continue building the relationship. So you need to be able to convert traffic into leads. So these next 2 websites on my list are all about websites that will help you do that, help you convert traffic into leads. So the number 5 on my list is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a website that will allow you to build sales funnels. So a sales funnel is basically, it's a process, a systemized process of how to take people through a process that will get them to see your products and services. So the first step is you have a squeeze page. Now the squeeze page is just a simple page on your website that is designed to collect email addresses. So you get your traffic over to this website, to this lead page, this squeeze page, right? And then you offer something for free in exchange for their email address. And then when they give you their email address, they get onto your email list. ClickFunnels is a website, it's a tool, a program that will help you design these squeeze pages and other pages in your sales funnel very easily. It's a very easy to use editor, drag and drop editor. So you don't have to learn coding and all this technical stuff. You just use ClickFunnels and it makes it simple, makes it easy so that even if you're not a techie, you can build sales funnels easily. And you even can have access to done for you sales funnels that are already available within the ClickFunnels community. So if you need a done for you sales funnel, by the way, there's a link in the video, the description of this video, where you can use the same sales funnel that I'm using. Okay, so now the 6th website on my list of websites to help you build passive income online is ManyChat.com. Again, this is a website that will help you convert traffic into leads. And what ManyChat does is it allows you to take your traffic and then get them to subscribe to you on Facebook Messenger. So you can build a list of people on Facebook Messenger, and then you can use ManyChat to send out messages on Messenger to your audience. So you can build up an audience of, say, 1,000 people, right? And then you send out a message to that list, then 1,000 people will be getting a message from you in Facebook Messenger. So that's what ManyChat allows you to do. It's a very powerful tool for marketing and following up with your leads in order to recommend things to those leads. Okay, so far we've covered some websites to help you generate traffic to your website. And then we covered some websites to help you take that traffic and turn that traffic into leads. Now, once we have those leads, we need something to offer to them, something to sell them to earn money from. And so that can be done with affiliate marketing. You can also do it with your own products or your own services that you offer yourself. But getting started, it's much easier to offer affiliate products. So an affiliate product is simply a product that's been created by somebody else, and then you as an affiliate would recommend it and then earn a commission anytime someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. It's pretty simple, right? So here's the next group of websites, and these websites will be where you can find affiliate products that you can offer to this audience, to these leads that you're building. So the first is Amazon.com. Amazon.com has an associates program, an affiliate program called Amazon Associates. So you simply go to Amazon.com, you sign up for the associates program, and then once you're accepted, you can recommend any product on the website and earn a commission if somebody purchases through your affiliate link. So simply find products in there that people in your niche would be interested in and recommend it to them, and then you can earn a commission from doing that. Okay, so now we're on the number 8 website to make money online, and this is a very popular affiliate marketplace, and most of what they offer is digital products. There are a few physical products on here, but it's mostly digital products such as software, training guides, membership sites that people can go and join and get help in a topic on. So those are kind of some of the key things that you can find on this website. And this is clickbank.com. Clickbank.com, you simply go, you sign up for an account there, and then you can find different products to offer. So just simply find products in there that would be a good fit for your audience, for your leads, and then recommend them to those leads that you're building up through your email list and your Facebook Messenger list. And then anytime anybody buys one of these products that you're recommending on ClickBank, then you can earn a commission. And it goes up as high as, I think, 75%. commission. So it could be very lucrative. Okay, so the ninth website to help you make the money online is ShareASale.com. ShareASale is another popular website where you can find affiliate offers that you can promote in order to earn a commission. So kind of the same as Amazon and ClickBank. Find offers that would be good for your audience and recommend those offers. Okay, now I'm going to go on to the 10th and final website to help you make money online with affiliate marketing, even if you're a busy parent. And this is, I'm actually going to go back to one of the previous websites already listed. This is ClickFunnels.com, ClickFunnels.com. Again, as I mentioned earlier, this will help you build out sales funnels and lead pages and squeeze pages to help you generate leads. But also, ClickFunnels has an affiliate program, so you can recommend some of the products and software and tools that ClickFunnels have, and there's different things that they offer. They offer tools like ClickFunnels to build website funnels. They also offer training and other marketing tools, and training and things like that. They offer different things. So you can go there, you can sign up as an affiliate, and then you can recommend those things as an affiliate and earn a commission from that. So I do hope this video has been helpful to you. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.